Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make perfect buttermilk pancakes that are fluffy and tender. The most important ingredient in this recipe is fresh buttermilk, and it makes all the difference between an average pancake and a great one. Buttermilk gives pancakes extra height, fluffiness, and a little tang. It's best to have all the ingredients at room temperature and not cold. For the dry ingredients, add 2 cups or 280 grams of all-purpose flour to a bowl. 1 teaspoon of coarse salt or kosher salt. If you're using table salt, which is finer, use only 3/4 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 tablespoons white sugar. Whisk this really well. For the wet ingredients, shake up the buttermilk. Measure out 2 1/4 cups or 540 milliliters. Crack 2 large eggs. Add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk this up. Add the buttermilk and combine. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir it gently. I like to finish with my whisk to get any large lumps out. The batter doesn't have to be completely smooth. Small lumps are fine. Make sure not to overbeat it. Set this batter aside for 10 minutes. Heat up a pan and add a little butter or oil. If you add butter, you may have to wipe it off between pancakes in case it gets a little brown. You won't have that problem with oil. Scoop the batter using a 1/2 cup measure. See how bubbly the batter is? And pour it onto the pan. The batter is thick, nudge it into a circle. It will spread a little bit as it cooks. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side until you see bubbles all around the edges. It does require a little patience, and I know we all want to just flip that pancake, but wait. If you flip it too soon, there will be wet batter flying and the pancake won't cook properly. Actually, flip is not what you want to do. Turn it over gently, making sure your spatula is as close to the pan as possible. Don't lift it up high. You slowly set down 1/2 and then the rest gently fall onto the pan. Cook the other side for a minute or 2. You'll see it rising. The edges should be set and not look wet. When you press the top gently, it should spring back up. If it feels squishy, that means the middle is wet and you need to cook it longer. To keep the pancakes warm, put them on a tray in a 200-degree Fahrenheit or 93-degree Celsius oven. This recipe gives you 9 or 10 pancakes. I like to serve the pancakes with soft butter and pure maple syrup. Let me cut into the pile for you. They're tall, fluffy, and delicious. I do hope you try these as they're very easy to make and give you great pancakes. Leave your comments below and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.